Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the LG 55-inch 4K AI Smart LED TV. This TV promises premium visuals, powerful AI processing, and Dolby Atmos sound, all packed into a sleek, modern design. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. Inside the box, you'll get standard remote, power cable, documentation, and user manual. I bought this TV during the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale for just $33,000, which is an amazing deal for a 55-inch 4K TV. But here's one drawback. LG only provides a basic remote at this price. It doesn't have voice control. If you want that feature, you'll have to buy the voice-enabled remote separately, which is a bit disappointing. LG offers free wall mount installation, and you can choose between a table stand or wall mount. I went with the wall mount, and to my surprise, they provided a high-quality movable wall mount for free, something that usually costs extra. That's a nice touch from LG. The design is sleek and premium, with ultra-thin bezels that maximize screen space. The back is neatly designed, and the ports are well placed for easy cable management. It features a 55-inch 4K IPS panel with HDR10 support, powered by the Alpha7 AI Processor. You get 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, which is decent for a smart TV. When it comes to performance, 4K streaming is super smooth. Thanks to LG's 4K Super Upscaling, even lower resolution videos look sharp and detailed. The colors are vibrant and contrast levels are impressive. Apps load quickly and navigation is fluid. However, Wi-Fi performance can be inconsistent, especially for 4K playback. I'd recommend using a LAN cable for the best streaming experience. Gaming on this TV is also enjoyable. The input lag is minimal, and the vivid colors make graphics pop. The Dolby Atmos sound system delivers clear dialogue and immersive surround effects, perfect for movie nights. The TV runs on LG's webOS platform, which supports all popular streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more. However, unlike Google TV, you can't sideload custom apps. If you prefer free content, Google TV might offer a wider selection. Although it provides some free TV channels, but the channels are mostly news and music channels. Overall, the LG 55-inch UA8200 is a great choice if you want excellent picture quality, reliable performance, and brand trust. But if you're looking for more free content options and better value for money, Google TV might suit you better. That's it for today's unboxing and review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Here are some sound samples.